Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something quick and fun. We are building and taking apart a quadcopter all in under 5 minutes. No soldering, no complicated tuning, just a clean framework assemble and tear down. This video is super suitable for the beginner to learn about the arrangement in a quadcopter, and I will only use tools besides using a soldering iron. So first I will disassemble a drone and show you the components in it. So we first need to remove those screws that have positioned our motors. Then we got this, a full leg flying mount. Then we're going to remove the screws on the top to open the cap. After opening top, you can see the flight control, the electric speed controller, power distribution board, video transmitter, camera, receiver, antenna, and more, in only a space less than 12 centimeters square. Here's the camera module. After disassemble the fuselage framework, you can see those are just all the components in a drone, not as complicated as you think, right? Then it's a part for knowing the name of each component. I'll explain those each by each. Those are called the arms, which the motor positioned on, and those are called the top plates and the bottom plates, which is standoff position on. This is the board with an electric speed controller and the power distribution board, connected with 4 motors. It also got an XT60 battery connector and a capacitance. This is the flight control and the receiver on your left, and the video transmitter and the cherry antenna on your right. So when you use your transmitter, it sends out signal to the receiver, and then the receiver give it out data to the flight control, and then to the ESC, and then to those 4 routers. Similar but different was the FPV Goggles. Now the FPV Goggles receive the data from the video transmitter, the VTX, and then show you the video on the goggles. Now you got the general idea, right? We also need 4 propeller, a battery, and a battery bandage in order to really fly. And of course, the transmitter and the goggle counts. Now we also need to assemble back to a drone because we cannot leave those components on the table. Since this is a video, what we can do is accelerate the time, and I really hope I can do it in real life, but I cannot. After assemble, it's time for plugging the battery. Oh, thank you, it didn't explode. And that's it! A quick assemble and disassemble of this FPV quadcopter. I hope this video helped. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more RC build. And yes, I kept this under 5 minutes.